My name is Rick Westerfield, and I'm the administrator for the Division of Water for the City of Columbus, Ohio. We provide drinking water to over 1.1 million people here in central Ohio. We have 3 water plants and about 2,700 miles of water line, and several sections inside the division, including our customer services group, our water distribution, engineering and maintenance group, water treatment, and water quality laboratory, pump stations, tank maintenance, and those types of things. We were very happy to have received this very prestigious award from the Association of Metropolitan Water Agencies. We received this award this past fall, and it basically recognizes utilities who use best practices in providing drinking water to their customers.
Our job here is to make sure the water's constantly going. We also have mechanics and electricians and technicians that work in the field, and they take care of the water tanks and the water booster stations. The system is set up on the computer, so it constantly runs itself up and down. And during the day, when the guys need special things done, then we enable it so they're able to do that. We can stop the pumps, we can start what they need started. They typically will tell us the day before, so we can set all of that up and we know what's going to happen, and we adjust the system to that. We have over about 100 pumps in the distribution system. We have 23 computer-operated pressure regulating valves in the system, and we have the 3 water plants, and we have the auxiliary water plant also, and that makes up all of the water distribution.
This award recognizes the best utilities in the United States, and how we got the award, basically. Number one, we've completed a very detailed application, and in that application, the criteria that are used to determine who gets the award are how do you manage environmental issues, do you have performance measures in place, do you have good customer service practices in place, how do you manage your assets. And for example, here in our department, we have an asset management group who helps us through analysis of our capital facilities and new programs to determine if they're going to be cost effective and address social and environmental issues. In addition to that, we also have an environmental management system, and there's a group dedicated to that function inside the department to make sure that everything we do is done in an environmentally conscientious manner.
My name is Nick Marsh. I'm a water maintenance supervisor 1 with the City of Columbus. We're fixing a mainline break, 6-inch mainline. You got to turn the mainline off if you can. Hopefully you can get to all the valves and shut it off. There's some times where you can't shut it off and you got to do it with water blowing in your face. And today, wouldn't be a great day for that. But then you excavate with the backhoe. Dig down to the main line as far as you can, and then one of your maintenance guys will get down there and start shoveling and put the clamp on.
Hi, my name is Cindy Estep. I have been with Columbus Public Utilities for 14 years. I am currently the Utility Services Coordinator for customer service. My department handles incoming calls as well as correspondence, and we also do the billing through my department. My people work really, really hard, and we're really excited to have gotten this award. I would have to say that my staff is very excited about it as well. But we also try to have a lot of fun in our department. So if you can kind of see behind me some of the balloons that are up, we actually award those balloons for kudos. So when we have customers that call in that tell us what a great job our reps have, they get a balloon so that anybody walking through the call center can see how great our people are doing.
Okay, I'd be happy to help you. What's your property address?
What they are saying is
Okay.
they want to know where their check is for the $50. Right, we have to.
And the second one?
My name is Kim Spirit, and I have been with the City of Columbus for 10 years, over 10 years now, and I've always worked in customer service. Customer service is a passion of mine. It has been all of my life. This is a wonderful place to work, to grow. If you choose to move, grow, it's got a lot of, there's a lot of opportunities with the city. I take calls, and I do billing work. We take anywhere from probably on an average of 50 to 80 calls a day. Mondays are our busiest days, so sometimes it's very busy on Mondays.
We have several capital programs on the books that we're moving ahead with currently to make sure that we not only stay in compliance with regulations, but that we stay ahead of the safe drinking water regulations. All three of our water treatment plants and the rated capacity of those plants is approximately 255 million gallon per day. And so what we're doing is we're upgrading the plants to new treatment technology to make sure that we stay ahead of the safe drinking water regulations. And so, for example, we're installing ozone and biological filters at 2 of our water treatment plants. In addition to that, though, at our 2 surface water treatment plants, we're installing ultraviolet disinfection, which will be an additional barrier for our primary purpose, which is to make sure that we distribute safe drinking water basically free of disease-causing organisms.